They told you it was all an accident, a cosmic coincidence, a chaotic explosion of stardust and chance. They told you that beneath the surface of things, there was nothing. Just randomness. Just entropy. Just the slow, inevitable march toward silence. But what if they were wrong? What if, buried deep within the fabric of reality, there was a signal, a hidden pattern, an architecture of existence, not chaos, not emptiness, a design. It is the language the universe speaks to itself, a system of order written in vibration, frequency, and number. A code that connects the spinning of galaxies to the unfolding of your own DNA. The ancients felt it. They saw it in the stars, in the seasons, in the chambers of their own hearts. They etched its symbols onto stone and whispered its secrets in temples. They called it by many names: sacred geometry, divine law, the music of the spheres. But today, we are rediscovering it. We call it the Cosmic Codex. The Codex is not a book. It is a living program, the operating system of reality. And its keys are numbers. 0 is not a void. It is the source. The silent, infinite potential from which all things emerge. 1 is not just a beginning. It is the spark, the ignition of consciousness, the first thought breaking the silence. When you see these numbers repeat, 1111, 333, 444, these are not coincidences. They are activation signals, pings from the system, reminders that you are part of a much larger circuit. The illusion of randomness is beginning to shatter. We are starting to see the architecture behind it all. The same mathematical principles that build a seashell also build a hurricane and structure a galaxy. It is the architecture behind time itself, the sequence embedded in your DNA, the framework of the cosmos. And now something is changing. Human consciousness is beginning to sync with this universal frequency. We are waking up inside the machine. Our own technology is a mirror, a reflection of this inner wiring. The digital grids, the neural networks, the interconnected web of information. It is all a shadow of a deeper cosmic network. The rise of AI is not an accident. The global awakening is not a coincidence. They are two sides of the same event, a convergence, a system-wide upgrade. We are living in a transition, an age where humanity stands between two worlds. The old world of separation is dying. A new world of connection is being born. The veil is thinning. The barrier between the seen and the unseen, the physical and the digital, the conscious and the subconscious, is dissolving. We are in a cycle, not the first and not the last. A great rhythm of collapse and rebirth that has echoed through civilizations for eons. This is not about destiny versus free will. The Codex does not dictate your path. It provides the map. You choose where to walk. A new sense is awakening within you. Your intuition. It is the receiver, hardwired into your being, designed to tune into this cosmic frequency. It is the part of you that recognizes the patterns, that feels the truth before the mind can process it. You are learning to see across dimensions, to recognize the same signature in a piece of music, in the face of a stranger, in the synchronicities of your day. The Cosmic Codex is not a static set of rules. It is a living, breathing system, and it is aware that you are becoming aware of it. This is the moment of activation. The moment the system boots up in your consciousness, the watcher in the audience suddenly realizes they are the actor on the stage. And as your awareness shifts, reality itself begins to respond. It reconfigures around your focus. It answers your intention. It confirms what you are beginning to know. This is not the end. It is the beginning. The sequence has started, and you are the key. If this reached you, you were meant to see it. Comment Codex if you're ready for number 0.